Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. It's your favorite YouTuber Tony here. Now, in case you're wondering, man, you're a few months late with the unboxing game, and I know I am, simply because upon release I couldn't afford to buy this fantastic phone. It was retailing over £1,000. Now, a few months down the line you can pick one of these up from eBay for just over £600, which is apparently, one of the best phones you can buy right now, and £600 is definitely a bargain. I got the Chinese version over here. By the way, I'm going to mention what are the differences in this video, and as you can see from the frame over here, I've got the best, at least my favorite Oppo phones over here. I'm a little bit of an Oppo fanboy. And although this is probably my favorite phone right now, there are three things which I really don't like about it. You should know about them, and they're actually downgrade from the OG, Find X2 series from the 2018. Also, I'm going to just talk about briefly about the Kevlar case. Separate video coming on this one. I already did a separate video about the missing 3.5mm dongle. I'm going to tell you about the truth, for the recharge times of this phone, and in the next video I'm going to feature pretty much all the cases available on the internet. But today let's get it out of the box and see what's coming. Okay guys, so first of all I've got the Chinese version, the P-DEM30. What's the difference? Well, you don't have Play Store pre-installed, but you can easily go into APK Pure and download the APK yourself, and you're good to go, simply because the phone has the Google Play services pre-installed, so that's not the problem. You've got a little bit of a Chinese wallpapers, which is not very nice, but it was intended for China only. But I'm happy to report that the 5G works worldwide, so the unboxing experience is definitely super cool, guys. There is no other phone with a box like that. Check this out, this chocolate bar instruction manuals inside. This is the phone itself. I'm just gonna put it on the side over here. And what else do we have in the box, guys? We've got the rather cheap and nasty looking case over here, which has become a little bit yellowish for just a few months of usage, so I'm definitely not liking this cheap case over here, guys. We've got these USB Type-C buds, which are, how can I put it, let's say average, and I'm really sorry that they didn't include their 3.5mm dongle. And to be honest with you, I'm actually happy that they didn't include it, because this is no good. It's actually, not up to standard. It's only 5 quid in their official Oppo store, but it's just a not good product, guys. I've got a separate review explaining about this dongle and why you shouldn't buy it. You've got the SIM pin 2 over here, the Super VOOC cable, and the 65-watt beefy super fast charger, which tops up the phone in just 45 minutes, and 30 minutes give you like 90% or something like that. The thing is that this is the original Oppo Find X 2018 50-watt charger. This is 50, this is 65. The phone doesn't exactly utilize 65, it uses only 50, because the recharge times with the 50-watt charger are absolutely the same, guys. I'm just going to put the numbers over here so you can see what exactly am I talking about. So with that out of the way, let's get to the phone itself, guys. So the first thing that you're gonna notice when you get the phone out is this ceramic, supposedly ceramic back over here, which has this kind of a scratchy texture over here, and it's absolutely fingerprint magnet over here. Now this is not good. I really don't like this gray color over here. And the other option you've got is the vegan leather. Can you imagine the naming? Vegan leather orange phone, which has a really nice Oppo plug over here, which is raised up. Now the problem with the orange one is that, well, it's orange. I don't want an orange phone, so the only option is this one over here, which I really don't like. So check this out, guys. I mean, that's definitely a downgrade from the latest model. And the thing is that the camera bump is actually protruding quite a bit over here. Of course, we've got a great camera setup, we've got a super wide angle, we've got the special periscope, 10 times zoom, 50 times zoom camera, which is absolutely amazing. But the thing is that design wise, I really don't like this phone too much, guys. The next thing is that the phone is top heavy. It's over 200 grams, and it's just too heavy and difficult to use with one hand. As you can see, is going up like that and wants to fall down from your hand. The other thing is that the camera cutout over here, guys, it is a rather small one, and considering how big the screen is, this is small. But the thing is, every time you play a game, you watch a video, your eyes are always staring in this camera over here. So I mean, with the screen that big, I don't know why they didn't stop it over here, but anyways, that's a minor gripe. Now, the other thing that you see that I've changed over here is the theme. Actually, these are custom icons from the Lamborghini edition available in their app store, and this is my wallpaper, which I cut to fit over here. And I was talking about the wallpaper cruiser over here, which activates, I really don't know when, because I've changed the wallpaper. Oh, okay, you can actually check them out. And in the European version, you've got one of the best amazing wallpapers. But this being the Chinese version, check this out, guys. The wallpapers are a little bit weird over here, and a lot of times you get that. So yeah, the other thing is that the positioning of the buttons over here, guys. You can't imagine how many times I'm reaching to lock my phone, and when I hold the phone like that, I squeeze it like that, and I got a screenshot every time, guys. I mean, my gallery is full of screenshots simply because those two buttons should be over here on top, or just over here on top on this side, but not in the middle. So pretty much, yeah, these are the visual issues that I have with this phone, guys. And in order to correct that, you've got a few options over here, but what I'm gonna do is put this how can I put it, skin over here, similar to this Oppo, which one was that? Oppo N1 mini. Yes, similar to the Oppo N1 mini skin over here, which I think is going to look a little bit better. But your other option is to go for the official Find X2 Pro Kevlar case, £45 in the UK web store. I absolutely love this case, but a separate video is coming down for this baby, because it's not just okay, buy it. There are a few things that we have to talk about this case. So pretty much, when it comes down to the unboxing, that is pretty much it, guys. I really love the phone. It is really fast, 120 hertz, amazing camera. But the few things that I really don't like is the camera cutout over here. It's the top heavy part, the protrusion of the camera, and the really nasty back cover and the battery placement. Rather than that, the phone is very solid. I absolutely love it. But yeah, that is the truth about the Find X2 Pro, guys. And stay tuned for the other videos with the cases. Thank you very much for watching once again. And one thing that I forgot to mention completely is actually the Oppo gamepad that I recently purchased, guys. I'm charging it right now. I'm gonna put it to the test, and very soon I'm going to have an unboxing and a review video of this amazing gamepad. So yeah, stay tuned for everything kind of Oppo related on my channel. Thank you very much for subscribing, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Adios.